to today's stew fruit cooking class.
For this recipe, you will need 140 grams of blackberries,
3 plums,
40 grams of hazelnuts,
1 spoon of honey,
10 grams of sunflower seeds to serve.
You're going to need the following equipment starting with a... Shut up! Don't use this, kids.
And then you're going to need a large saucepan. Lily?
You're going to need a wooden spoon,
a ladle, which is down here.
You're going to need a tablespoon,
A rolling pin.
Okay.
Okay.
You're going to need 1 plastic food bag. Save the planet,
2.
people. Save the planet.
Yeah, save the planet.
Yeah.
You're going to start off by cutting the blackberries and putting them into the saucepan.
Let's do it. No, let's do it. I got my little...
Lily.
So, we're going to cut them in half. Be very careful.
Don't. Oh, wow. Do not cut yourself. We're old enough to be using.
So we're just putting all of the blackberries in the bowl.
You're allowed to.
I'm doing that.
Oh, there's one blackberry here.
Now we're going to carefully chop up the plums into small pieces, but be careful because the knife is sharp. This one.
This, Lily.
I think I'm going to have to.
I wonder how this is going to taste.
Yeah, I don't even like plums.
Either.
They look like apples.
Yep. Oh.
I just realized what they
Oh, shit. That was very smoky. So now we're just going to gently mix the ingredients together.
Oh my god, I must squish them.
No, it's not time to squish them yet.
Now we're going to put the hazelnuts into a plastic bag and bash them really firmly using the rolling pin.
Really, let's get all the air out. And now you're going to add the crushed hazelnuts and carefully mix it all together.
Okay, you can go first.
Oh,
Oh, that looks so nice and yummy.
yeah.
Now we're going to carefully stir it. So we're going to have a spoonful of honey and put it in. Smells good.
Now we're going to give it one last stir before we take it over to the stove. Honey. Delicious.
The fans. Now we're going to carefully boil the mixture.
boiling nicely, and we're gonna let it turn it right down and let it. I'm gonna simmer it for 20 minutes.
So now we have been
Simmering.
for about 20 minutes, and we've been letting it cool down.
The final part is to sprinkle the sunflower seeds onto our stewed fruit.
Now we're going to try the spinach food.
Taste this time.
I'm
scared.
I'm scared.
Okay. Ready? 3, 2,
2,
1.
That's really good. Not bad.
I like it.
Yeah, I do.
Mm.